Hey guys, welcome to my channel, to my new ones, and welcome back to the ones that have been with me. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. But this video is going to be this look right here. I was feeling kind of orangey and green today for some reason, so I wanted to do this kind of look that resembles like the vision that I had in my head, with some orange liner and yeah, with a reddish orangey red lip. And yeah, so this is what I came up with. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I know I look a little ratchet. I just woke up, but I had to get ready because I have a meeting at 5:30. So we are gonna go ahead and I like to clip my hair back with these because I feel like these are the only things that really work for me. So I'm gonna clip the sides. Let's see. So today's look, I wasn't too sure what I was gonna do, and I decided that I wanted to do something. If you guys already saw the beginning of the video or the picture, I want to do something like blue and orange for some reason. I've never think I've ever done blue and orange before. So that is what we're gonna be doing, making sure like I don't have any ugly stuff here. So what I'm gonna do first is, because I got some new products, as you guys can tell, you guys saw I didn't mention one product because I got it right after the video, and it's the, what is this, rose toner. So I finally, they had this and I grabbed it, and that was the only new thing from that collection that I got after the video. Hold on guys, I see I'll have a hair on the camera. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and spritz our face with this. Normally I like to do it with the little pad, you know, but right now I do not know where it's at. So we are just gonna go ahead and do this and just pat it in our face and get that out of the way. Now, for you guys already know, you've been watching me, I'm gonna go in with a No 7, which I'm running out of already, but I like to use this for my neck right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that. And I like to put it on the sides of my forehead. I don't know if I can get any more out of this little thing, but this is like the best thing ever. It's like on the dry areas. I do have oily skin, but I'm dried right there. A little bit on my nose, but nothing's coming out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out something new, lotion. So we're gonna go ahead and try this little guy out since the other one ran out. It just comes out like that. I'm gonna put this at the back of my hand, and we're just gonna go ahead and moisturize on the side of my nose because I get dried right there as well, to the point where like it cracks and it hurts, which is weird. And then I go here. Now this is gonna be a little bit weird, but because of I don't know if you guys know, every time I like itch right here is because I have like dried skin. And I don't know if it's because when I bleach my hair, that's like the only area from my head that I itch from. So I'm just gonna put this right here on my ear, like which is right there, because I am literally dried right there. And it's like, and then I go behind the ear a little bit because I feel like it's still part of your freaking face, you know what I mean? Like, why not? So here we hear anything going. My dog, she's drinking water. Primer, this is a rose primer, and I've actually been liking this a lot. It smells really good. It smells like roses, and I just kind of like drip 3 areas, and that's all you really need because this little drop does a lot. So I'm just gonna go ahead, oh, it smells so good, and prime my face. And I believe that was $6, 6 something, so it's like $7, I believe. Yeah, it's like $7. Oh my god, it smells so good. Getting little things here, so I don't know, hopefully it's not like getting dried either. And in with the LA Pro Concealer, because I do have a lot of like scarring or whatever, or redness. I'm just gonna go on the sides of my nose, a little bit on my face in the dark area, and then right there, and then I'm just over here, and then I'm just gonna use my middle finger, and I'm just gonna dab it in there. Perfect. And with the Urban Decay All Nighter, I'm gonna go ahead and just pump this. I still don't understand my new one is a way lighter than my older one, which is darker. It's the same shade, I just don't get it, but oh well, we're just gonna have to work with it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this all over. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, then I'll just explain it really quick. But I use Urban Decay All Nighter foundation because 1, I need that full coverage. 2, I am oily skin, so I need no anything that has like a shine or anything like that. I need a matte. This is a matte foundation. I need a matte foundation. So that is what I'm doing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera. And what I've been using, something new is the pomade from e.l.f., which I liked it before, but it dried out on me and I had to search on how to get it like good again. So I did what we're gonna do. So if you really want to know how I did this, all I basically did was get my little dried up hops, and I just put like 2 drops. You don't want to put too many, and kind of mix it around just to see how it is. And if I needed to, then I'll put I mixed it and then I put 1 little drop next, and then that was it. And do my eyebrows off camera, and then I'm gonna go ahead and prime our eyes with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, an oldie but goodie. So we're gonna go ahead and prime our eyelids because you need some primer. So I'm just gonna do, I always like to use my middle finger. You can use a small brush if you would like, but I like to use a middle finger. Some people like to set it. I usually don't. I like the stickiness because I feel like the shadow will stick better, but sometimes it is good to set it just because sometimes, depends on the shadow, can streak or crease, not streak but crease. So we're gonna go ahead and go with an orange one first, and I'm trying to think what orange shadow that I want to use. We're gonna go ahead and go with the Zulu from Juvia's Place because this one has like a bright orange. We're gonna go ahead and use this bright orange right there. Go with one of these, pick up that bright ass orange, and just the crease area. You see how bright that is? Like, that's the kind of orange that I've been looking for this look. Like, that's the image in my head. I was like, I need a bright orange because I have like other oranges. Like, I have burnt orange, I have like a brown orange, this bright ass orange. I would have thought orange can come in different shades. So for the blue, I wanted something like this. This is from Dream Street Kathleen Lights and ColourPop palette, which looks like this. I love her palettes that she collabs with when she collabs with them. And I want something like this, like a really pretty, like a tealy blue color. Not so much like a bright blue, if that makes any sense. So, but for now, I'm gonna go ahead and get this matte blue one for now, and I'm just gonna put that just a tiny bit underneath the orange, just a small, like very light. Like, I don't want it to be too much, just so I can blend a little bit. I'm going very softly with the soft brush, barely anything. You see how I just did barely anything, just to I'm just going at the end only and blending it in a little bit. Bringing it in and then out. Then in. Once I get in here, it's just in. Then I want to go out here. This is outer. Now that it's done, I'm going to go ahead and go in with this blue right there. I'm just going to go ahead and pick that one up. Tap, 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 tap. And then bring it. Like, this shadow is so nice and foily to the point where I don't have to spray it with Fix Plus. I can only imagine if you do how more vibrant it will be, but I feel like I don't need to do that. So I'm just gonna use the shadow as it is and just put it all underneath on the actual shadow. You see that? So that's how I'm that is done. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Age Rewind. If you are looking for affordable drugstore concealer, this is the way to go. This is like the best concealer in my eyes. I even feel like, to me, it's better than high-end ones. Like, I have the other one, the Tarte one. I have a smaller one, the Shape Tape. I have a Shape Tape one, but I love this one more. Maybe it's just because I like the way, I don't know, on my skin I like the way it looks and feels better. Beauty sponge from Eco. I'm gonna spritz it with Fix Plus, and then I am just gonna go ahead and push the product into my skin. And that is basically all I'm doing. I'm just pushing it, because if you do this, all you're doing is taking off what you just applied. So I am just pushing the product in. If you need to spritz your sponge again, then so be it. Depends on what kind of sponge you use, guys, because I don't know. Like, sponges usually just soak everything up. So sometimes I do spritz a little bit more than once. But today, I think we're good. I'm just gonna push the product into my skin. I know some people, like, they take pictures and you can see the flashback and it looks really like, oh, you're like super white in here. I do not have that problem. Set it. I'm using the Peach Perfect. This is just to set any areas where I put the concealer, not the whole face, just the concealer area. And I'm using this brush by Luxie in 660. So this is all I'm doing into the areas. Sometimes I don't have enough of the lid and I just bounce it off. Guys, if you can hear me a lot better in this little scene than what I have been having, I forgot to plug in my mic. So yeah, so it might sound weirder like at the beginning of the video because I forgot to plug in my mic. So hopefully it's you can feel it and you can hear me better. So sorry about that. My hair spun, and I'm gonna go ahead and use a new brush. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Flower brush. I did a video of the whole Rebel Rose collection, so if you want to check that out. And I'm just gonna put this all over my face, even over what I conceal, because I like to have my face like double set, I guess. I like double powder because I am oily, so I like for my face to be really drenched in powder, because to me that's what I need. So browns, nothing new. Going in with the sugar one. The Woody Wonder is the shade, and it's this really pretty bronzer that I've been using for quite some time since I got it. So I'm just gonna go and bronze this face. It's funny how you think about it and you're like, back then, like, you would do your makeup and then we didn't even have bronzer or anything like that. So you're like one color, and it's funny how things change. I always think that way. Like, the world has changed, the makeup has changed. So we're gonna go ahead and bronze this forehead. And then right here, and then just the edge of it. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and do a little bit on the nose. So for the blush today, we're going to go in with NYX and the Ombre. This is Feel the Heat, which is a really pretty orange blush. I'm just going to go ahead and dab this, to give it a little bit of orange blush in there. Right, but we're gonna go ahead, actually first, before I even do that, we're gonna go with the e.l.f. eyeliner, and I'm just gonna do one. You guys see me do this like so many times. It's like, what else is new? There's nothing new about it, but I'm just gonna do an eyeliner, like a wing, and I can pretty much do this like really fast. So like that. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go in with Flamethrower from Jeffree Star. I'm gonna go ahead and use my angle brush. I'm gonna go ahead and use this as an eyeliner on the bottom. So all I'm doing is just going to drench my brush. What the fuck? Okay, so angle. I'm gonna go in, and now again, if you're new to my channel and you don't know this, these lipsticks are cruelty free, vegan free. They are safe to use on the eye. So just letting you guys know. You see how that looks really cool. So I'm gonna drag the same blue I use on the bottom and going to drag that in the bottom underneath over the orange a little bit. Like the orange is in the waterline, and then this is going on the bottom. Just like that. I'm using the NARS and Climax and Wet n Wild's the Mango Protein. So I'm gonna use both of these together and put some lashes. The lashes I'm going to use today, I do not know what I want to use, to be honest. I might toy with them. These are really fully out and thick. I really like these. I posted these on my Instagram. This is one of my students, old students when I used to, she used to dance for me and I used to help her. I choreograph and stuff for dancing, and so I choreographed a dance for her when she was running for a pageant. And these, now she is 17 and she has her own eyelash company, which I think is freaking amazing and awesome. So go ahead and check out her website. These lashes are really cool. She has so many different ones, and she came out with the really one that's like a diamond shape packaging, which I'm getting those pretty soon. I cannot wait. But these are the ones in Fierce, which are pretty awesome. So yeah, don't forget to look at her website, because she has like really nice eyelashes. And yeah, hey guys, so I forgot to show you my lipstick. So what I'm using is from Wet n Wild, and this is the flame of the game. Sorry, I had to look at that. But this is what it looks like. This is one of the Mango Last Liquid lipsticks. So Piper, shh. So that is what this is. I don't have any highlights. We're going to go ahead and do highlight, but I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and use the same brush that I used. And if you can see this, I don't know, line you guys. This little area is like nice, really pretty gold. I think that is when I want to pick a little bit of that gold up and apply it there. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah, looks better. And the inner, so I think I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And Wild, the Winter Falls one, that there you go. Okay, that looks really. Hey guys, so that is the final look. I'm going to go ahead and do my hair off camera, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys like it. This is what it looks like, and I really like this video. I like this look. I think it came out really good. My eyes are a little bit red right now because it is at the end of the day, and I always don't have time to do my ending and my intro sometimes because I'm just so freaking busy. I am so exhausted, but anyway, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, don't forget to like this video if you haven't already. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified for future videos, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah, bye.